And good afternoon, Mr. Zambon.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
And good afternoon, sir. Are you Mr. Christian Michael Thompson?
Good evening. Yeah, I am.
Good afternoon, Mr. Thompson. Mr. Zambon, are you representing Mr. Thompson here today?
No, that's Mr. Hillary's client. I have the Burmese client coming up next, I believe.
Thank you very much. Mr. Hillary, can you hear me? You're muted right now, sir.
Yeah, let me see here.
There you go. You're good.
Am I good now? Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Hillary.
Good afternoon.
And you, sir, are Mr. Christian Michael Thompson?
I am.
Mr. Thompson, you're before the court. I'm Judge O'Hara here in the 63rd District Court. You're before the court for your video arraignment on a charge of assault with intent to commit great bodily harm less than murder. And the charge reads as follows. On August 2nd, 2025, at 3999 Alpine Avenue Northwest, Alpine Township, Kent County, Michigan, that you did make an assault upon Luis Antonio Suarez Morales with the intent to commit great bodily harm less than the crime of murder. It's a criminal felony, maximum 10 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections, and a fine of up to $5,000. Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalties?
Yeah, I understand.
Mr. Hillary is here today as your attorney in a limited scope capacity here today to represent you and protect your legal interests. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You have certain rights here, Mr. Thompson. Those felony rights include your right to a lawyer, your right to remain silent. Anything you say orally or in writing can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer during any questioning, and if you cannot afford to hire your own lawyer, the court would appoint a lawyer for you. Are you asking for a court-appointed lawyer?
Yes.
You may fill out the application completely, sign your name, return it to the deputy. It'll be reviewed by the court, and if you qualify, the court will appoint a lawyer for you. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Given the serious nature of this charge, assault with intent to commit great bodily harm, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty and set this matter on for 2 court hearings here in the 63rd District Court. The first is a probable cause conference scheduled for August 13, 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. The second is a preliminary examination scheduled for August 20, 2025 at 9:30 in the morning. Both proceedings will take place here in the 63rd District Court. Your presence is required and necessary. Do you understand?
I do.
The last aspect of your hearing here today, Mr. Thompson, is the setting of the bond. And I'll turn to Mr. Hillary for your comments, counsel. Mr. Hillary, I'd be pleased to hear from you.
Yes, is my audio coming through, Judge?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you. When I spoke with Christian this morning, he indicated to me that he was not on probation or parole and had no other cases pending. I did go over his felony rights and with his permission, signed his name and submitted it to the court. He has no other cases in any other courts according to Mr. Thompson. He's originally from California. He came from California to come here to work. That work kind of fell through with his employer, and so he's not working right now. Currently living in an apartment on Walker Avenue at 3890. He's 29 years old. He does have a prior record. He indicated to me he did do a short prison term in California, but he indicated, and I don't have a court services report, that his record is very limited. We didn't get into the facts and circumstances surrounding this, and he's asking for a personal recognizance bond, or at least a bond that's within his means to post. Without working, he has very little money. Other than that, I have nothing to add. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hillary. The court has before the Kent County Court Services pre-bond report, which indicates that Mr. Thompson is living in Walker and from California. The recommendation is no PR bond, and the risk factors include that the charge of assault with intent to to commit great bodily harm is a very serious felony, and that the defendant has a criminal record which includes a prison sentence. The court is concerned with the charge itself, although the defendant's presumed innocent of the charge, but the charge itself is a violent felony charge, assault with intent to commit great bodily harm. The court also has before it the affidavit of probable cause, which is contained within the public court file, sworn to by the arresting officer, that states in summary fashion that law enforcement was dispatched to a stabbing incident back on August 1st at the Walmart store on Alpine, indicating that there was a white male wearing a black shirt and dark shorts running on foot out of Walmart, across the parking lot, and multiple bystanders had corralled the suspect, and ultimately law enforcement took the defendant into custody. Witnesses of the event include the victim's brother, who indicated that he and the victim in this case were in the Walmart looking at stereos, and when a white male with a black shirt and gray shorts approached them from behind and began attacking the victim. He was attacked once in the back, once in the neck, and once in the chest. Ultimately, the defendant was taken into custody, and he remains at the Kent County Jail at this point in time. The court is concerned regarding the unprovoked attack of a random person in our community, which raises significant concern for public safety. The victim sustained serious injuries that required surgery and hospitalization. The defendant has no family ties to Kent County and is from California and has served a prison sentence in California. And the court is ultimately concerned regarding the safety of our community and also risk of flight. It is alleged, not proven, that the victim was stabbed in the back and neck and chest. All three of those wounds could have resulted in the death of the victim himself. The court is very concerned regarding the safety of our community, and the court sets bond in the amount of $500,000, cash or surety. Bond conditions: reporting to court services within 24 hours of release. Number 2, no mind-altering substances, alcohol, marijuana, or drugs. And number 3, the defendant may not leave the state of Michigan. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Hillary.
Certainly.